Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Tony Holowitz and I want to talk to you about Act Pro software. Act Pro software disappeared for a little while. Version 22 was the last version. They skipped version 23, but they recently reintroduced Act as Act Pro version 24, and this is in the spring of 2022. Having said that, you can buy Act Pro today for approximately $450. It is a one-time purchase. It's perpetual. You do it yourself, everything. You buy the software, you install the software, and it's good for individuals and small businesses, and a lot of long-time Act users find this version is all they need. There is an obsolescence policy with all Act software. In essence, the warranty runs out, you don't get updates, and some of the modern features you might get with an Act subscription are not available to you with this software. So having said all of that, I think the best thing to do is to reach out to me and talk to me about what your needs are. Let's have a discussion, and I'll try to help you decide whether Act Pro software is the best software for you, or if quite possibly you might benefit from a subscription. Subscriptions are annual. Some people don't like that, but having said that, you want to justify the expense, and the expense of a subscription can be off-put by some of the things you can do with it. Software, in my opinion, is really easy to measure. If it pays for itself many times over, go with the subscription. If you don't feel that way for whatever reason, go with Act Pro. A lot of people also think the subscription is purely cloud-based. That is not the case. You can have the desktop software, and if you want to expose or have the cloud as an option, you can do that as well. Anyway, there's a lot of things to think about. Your budget, what works for you. Don't hesitate to reach out to me, and I'd be more than happy to discuss everything about Act software with you. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. My name is Tony Holowitz. Be well.